So imagine a device that feels just like paper but supercharges your productivity. No distractions, just pure focus. So welcome to the Remarkable Pro, the ultimate digital paper tablet designed for creators, thinkers and note takers who demand the best of both worlds. iPad से थक गए हो प्रोडक्टिविटी के नाम पे, डिस्ट्रैक्शन से मीट रिमार्केबल प्रो, एक डिजिटल नोटबुक जो एक्चुअली काम के लिए बना है, ना कि नेटफ्लिक्स के लिए. Alright, so this is how the Remarkable Paper Pro basically, and this is the kit with Remarkable Paper Pro plus marker plus kit, and this is how the packaging looks like. So it was, I think I paid somewhere close to maybe 60 or 65,000. India made almost the same price, somewhere around 60,000 or 65,000. Okay, so now let's go ahead and unbox. So unboxing experience for Remarkable is always very sweet, neat. So on opening the package, you get directly the Remarkable Paper Pro kit and the marker plus. Sweet. All right, okay, we'll just get it out and set it up now. So this is how the marker plus kit is with the pencil, and this is the Remarkable Paper Pro paper tablet with the full white color case. Sweet, almost looks like apple का unboxing experience की तरह ही पूरा exact है ये, and it says paper tablet. Perfect. So this is how the Remarkable case is. So now opening this, you straight up get the Remarkable, and then what else do we get? We get one USB cable, that is the USB-C cable, because it's anyways, it supports USB-C, so it's the full perfect USB-C cable. Anyways, I don't use it, but still it's a very high quality one. So this is the one. And then we have the Remarkable Paper Pros, the manual and all those stuff. So it says, welcome to Better Thinking Community. And what else do we get? We get some manuals, we get some, okay, how to set it up guide and all. All right, okay. So now let's put this back on, because anyways ये तो हमारा वैसे ही होके रहेगा अंदर में ही. Then here is the marker plus, the Remarkable marker plus kit. इसको भी खोलते हैं. Okay, so now here you get the marker plus, and this is the new Remarkable pencil, and those are the marker nibs. So basically आप जैसे ही लिखना चालू करोगे धीरे धीरे निब भी मतलब वेयर आउट होता है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई यू हैव द एक्स्ट्रा निब्स. सो जैसे ये निब खत्म होगा, ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज जस्ट get it out and just put those new nibs. It's coming with 6 extra nibs, so it's more than enough. मेरा ऐसे hardly 2 या 3 nib ही use हुआ in last 2 years. So those are extra nibs. We'll just put it back here. So nibs done. Nibs भी ये इस बार अच्छा मतलब पैकेजिंग भी बहुत ज़बरदस्त उन्होंने कर दिया है, because of course मतलब the pricing has like pumped up a bit, so that's why all of the packaging and everything they have like made it more sweet. And this is the pencil. All right, okay. So now we will just get it out. Okay, done. So pencil is ready. And what else do we get inside the kit? We are getting the quick start guide and the warranty and all those stuff. Anyways, it's of no use, so we'll just put it back, because the main thing is opening the Remarkable. After that we can see all this. So now here is the main Remarkable. It says better paper, better thinking. All right, okay. Oh, sweet. And the best thing is it's coming like on hoke ही है almost. Hold the power button to get started. Better paper, better thinking. अभी इसका power button का switch इस बार I believe, okay, it's that the same. All right, okay. Now let's hold and let it switch on. Okay, Remarkable Pro Paper Pro is starting. So start, and this I can feel it's almost the same size as iPad, I would say. More, maybe feels a bit more bigger than iPad as well. So Remarkable starting, and you can see that is color of course. So इसको अपन क्या करेंगे, मेरा पुराना वाला Remarkable से इसके साथ अपना डेटा को सिंक करेंगे. Get ready for Paper Pro. You need a smartphone or computer to complete the setup. Okay, next. Attach your marker. Okay, attached. Your marker is charging. Yes. and that's what a digital paper screen refresh looks like. This is normal and keeps your display looking clean and sharp. Okay, refresh again. Yes, perfect. Next, and we will just select the Wi-Fi. Success. Now you're connected to Wi-Fi. Okay, next, next. गेट रेडी. ओके, अपडेट एंड रीस्टार्ट. अभी इसमें अपना लेटेस्ट वाला सॉफ्टवेयर एक बार इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा and that's it. So hopefully you loved the unboxing experience. Now let's talk about the hardware a bit. So hardware, you can see that this is how the hardware looks like. ये है अपना folio. If someone is getting a folio, which I normally don't recommend, अगर आप वो keyboard folio लेते हो then यहाँ पे वो connect होगा and will automatically work. So hardware अगर देखा जाए तो hardware is pretty neat as usual. Remarkable makes it very high quality, and that's why they charge a lot of money. And back is completely flat and ये scratch भी नहीं होगा because you have those 4 rubber ends, this one, this one, this one, this one. So at least ये anti slip भी है, कहीं भी ये slip भी नहीं होगा, जहाँ पे रुकेगा पूरा perfectly वैसे ही रुकेगा because of those 4 sweet rubber pads at the back. And front, you can see it's a straight up, you get the screen, nothing else, no distraction. Here you have the charging point, USB-C. Here you have one single on-off switch, and the pencil just gets attached to this because it's anyways magnet, and that's all. There is nothing else. It's a plain simple device just for you to write and feel that you are writing like a pro. So USB के लिए एक point, and you have one on-off switch, and at the back you see one logo and those 4 rubber pads, and this one is for the folio, and that's all. That's all for the हार्डवेयर पार्ट. सो अभी ये एक बार लेटेस्ट वाला सॉफ्टवेयर आने के बाद मैं क्या करूँगा, अपना सारे फाइल्स को एक बार इसमें अपन क्या करेंगे, सिंक करेंगे. ओके, अभी इसको पेयर करना पड़ेगा. पहले पेयर योर डिवाइस, my.remarkable/pair पे जाके अपन क्या करेंगे, इसको पहले पेयर करेंगे. Okay, so you can see that the Remarkable is completely set. My files and everything has already came here. So all of my folders are automatically got synced. Books, notes, everything are completely synced and everything is ready. So I will go and show you exactly. So let's say the best features, if we tell you the best features, सबसे first जो सबसे पहला जो है, that is about the writing experience. The writing experience, like for example, you feel it. You feel that, man. It's so scratchy. I will show you when we compare the iPad and Remarkable 2. You can actually see it. Like this one is just like, it's so scratchy. You can actually feel like you're writing something, and when you have to do like undo, all you have to do is just double click and it's gone. You can see that like this. And if you want to like just do it eraser, all you can do is just like this and it's completely erased. So now we can see that we have multiple pencils. You can see this one is a ballpoint pen, and this one is a fine liner, this one is a highlighter, this one is pencil, this one is mechanical pencil, this one is calligraphy pen. This is my main favorite, यही वाला ही मैं use करता हूँ. Then a marker, then a shader, then a paint brush, and with them thin, medium, thick, then colors black, grey, white, blue, red, green, yellow, cyan and magenta. So इतने सारे कलर ऑप्शंस भी है आपके पास, 3 पेंसिल के थिकनेस ऑप्शंस भी हैं, इतने सारे पेंसिल ऑप्शंस है. लेट मी जस्ट शो यू वन बाय वन. सो वो तो है. तो बेस्ट फीचर्स अगर बोला जाए तो अगेन क्लाउड सिंक भी है, आप किसके साथ शेयर भी कर सकते हो, फाइल्स को डायरेक्टली किसको भेजना हो वो भी कर सकते हो, प्रेजेंटेशन कर रहे हो वो भी कर सकते हो. एंड क्लाउड सिंक आप डायरेक्टली गूगल एंड ड्रॉपबॉक्स के साथ भी इसको सिंक कर सकते हो. यू कैन हैव लेयर्स, यू कैन रीड books, you can do the writing, notes, everything can be done inside it. बहुत सारे features हैं. And for example, while reading also, if you want to have the light, you can just click here and you can just go to the, and यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे light मैं अगर इसको बंद करता हूँ, the backlight is completely gone. You might not be able to see the backlight here. If I switch off the lights, someone will feel it. So यहाँ पे अगर हम इसको पूरा करते हैं, then there is a backlight. So whenever all of my lights are off, you can actually see and feel that light. This is the backlight, and यहाँ पे Wi-Fi connected है, यहाँ पे you can see that. तो यहाँ से हम यहाँ से ऑन ऑफ पूरा कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई जस्ट क्लिक वंस एंड उसके बाद इज फुल, बट इफ आई क्लिक वंस देन इट्स फुल्ली गॉन. Alright, okay, so this is the main. So now if we go to the quick seats for example, and we have to see one by one pencil. For example, ballpoint pen. So ballpoint pen में let's first start with black. Okay, so you can see this is the ballpoint pen, and इसको अगर हम thick रखते हैं, and let's say we go with red. Okay, now we will see. You can see that this is how it writes. So if I just change the color, so let's say if I go and change the cyan, let's say, then I can say, सी द कलर कैसे आ रहा है, उसके बाद जाके चेंज होता है. जस्ट टेक्स फ्यू सेकेंड्स, क्योंकि दैट इज हाउ द ई इंक डिवाइसेस वर्क लाइक. सो नाउ इफ यू सी, you see that. So this is one, and if you have to just go to next page, just click on like this and there is a next page. And now if we go to fine liner, and if I go keep it red same, let me see. So let's say, तो दिस इज़ द फाइन लाइनर. वैसे करके हाइलाइटर भी अगर हम देखा जाए तो हाइलाइटर में यू कैन एक्चुअली हाईलाइट लाइक दिस एंड इट विल हाईलाइट ऑटोमेटिकली. यू कैन डू द हाईलाइटिंग इन द बुक्स और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट एज वेल. यहाँ पे मैकेनिकल पेंसिल में ऑल्सो. सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे बिग डिफरेंस आई कैन सी दैट कि द राइटिंग में एक थोड़ा फील आ रहा है. रिमार्केबल 2 ऑल्सो वॉज ग्रेट, बट यहाँ पे एक वो जो फील आ रहा है, एक लिखने का एक फील ही एक अलग आ रहा है. नाउ इफ वी गो टू माई कैलीग्राफी विच इज़ माई मेन, विच द मेन पेंसिल वॉट आई normally use day in and day out. So this is how it's gonna be. Daily tasks. So now if I go to, let's say if I change the color to green, let's say, so अभी अगर हमें अलग कुछ कलर करना है, let's say blue, और भी अगर कुछ कलर्स मैजेंटा लेट्स यूज़ करना है. सो एनीवेज, सो यू कैन डू ए लॉट ऑफ स्टफ. एंड यहाँ पे अगर हाइलाइटर अगर आपको डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे चाहिए, यू कैन एक्चुअली डू हाईलाइटिंग समथिंग लाइक दिस. ये देख सकते हो हाईलाइट कैसे हो गया, सब कुछ हाईलाइट भी हो गया. एंड यहाँ से अगर आपको ऐड टेक्स्ट लिखना है, यू कैन एक्चुअली राइट एज वेल लाइक दिस. यू कैन राइट एंड यू सी दैट यहाँ पे राइटिंग भी आ गया. एंड दैट्स ऑल. यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे मेरा ये था एंड देन वी कैन जस्ट क्लोज इट. सो यू कैन सी यहाँ पे मेरा राइटिंग भी आ गया, यहाँ पे मेरा जो मैंने लिखा था वो भी आ गया. अगर मैं यहाँ से मेरे को कुछ डिलीट करना है, सो आई कैन डू समथिंग लाइक दिस and it's gone. And यहाँ पे इरेजर भी है, समथिंग लाइक दिस कैन बी डन एंड इरेजर कैन बी यूज्ड एज वेल. सो यहाँ पे देखोगे तो वो पूरा गायब हो जाएगा. डिलीट करना होगा वो भी डिलीट कर सकते हैं. डॉक्यूमेंट सेटिंग्स में यहाँ पे सारे सेटिंग्स हैं, नोटबुक सेटिंग्स, एनाबल शेप्स, सब कुछ. एंड यहाँ पे सेटिंग्स, मेन वाला सेटिंग्स में भी इट्स नॉट ए वेरी कॉम्प्लेक्स डिवाइस, यू कैन यूज़ इट वेरी ईजिली. यहाँ से जाके हम क्या कर सकते हैं, सेटिंग्स में जाके ऑल यू कैन डू इज लेट्स से एक्सेसिबिलिटी जाके मैं लार्ज करूँगा तो सब कुछ थोड़ा बड़े हो जाएंगे. डिस्प्ले, इफ़ यू गो हियर यू कैन सी दैट. सो यूरोपियन डॉक्यूमेंट ओवरव्यू व्हेन इट्स इन स्टैंड बाय, समथिंग लाइक दिस. एंड एक्स्ट्रा ब्राइट अगर मारोगे तो देखो तो ये थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा ब्राइट अभी हो गया है. ठीक है. लाइट एंड बैटरी, ऑफ कोर्स द बैटरी विल बी अफेक्टेड अ बिट इफ यू आर कीपिंग इट एक्स्ट्रा ब्राइट. सो नाउ लेट्स से इफ यू आर गोइंग टू अगेन टू दिस पेज. Okay, now we had this two. So let's say we are adding a new page. तो यहाँ पे आपको कितने सारे, ये वाला पेन हो गया, ये वाला पेन हो गया, यहाँ पे भी है, पेंट ब्रश भी हो गया. पेंट ब्रश में इफ़ यू सी समथिंग लाइक दिस, लेट्स से रेड हम करते हैं इसको. कैन सी दैट हाउ इट्स पेंटिंग. एंड इफ़ वी डू द हाईलाइटर समथिंग लाइक दिस, देख सकते हो येलो. So let's say if we change color by color, I can show you. This was yellow, then this is blue, then this is pink, then this is orange, this is green, this is gray. I think that's all. ओके, दिस इज हाईलाइटर. हाईलाइटर में आपके पास 6 कलर्स है, बट इफ़ यू गो टू दिस यू आर गेटिंग लाइक 9 कलर्स. यहाँ पे आपको ये मिल रहा है. अगर आप पेन ये इसमें भी जाओगे, यू आर गेटिंग ऑल दोज एक्स्ट्रा कलर्स. सो लॉट ऑफ स्टफ. यू कैन सी दैट हाईलाइटर में कितने सारे कलर्स आ गए. एंड द येलो इज़ द बेस्ट. येलो, ग्रीन एंड द पिंक, आई कैन टेल यू इट्स एक्चुअली कमिंग आउट वेरी nicely as well. So this is how basically all of those are the neat, nice features. Then I will also show you one by one exactly what all other features does it have. So this is how we normally write using this. You can see how it feels, how it sounds, and you have so many pencil options, tips, color options. कितने सारे option है. And now talking about the battery life. Battery life as per Remarkable, it says if you are using it with like low light, अगर आप light कम use कर रहे हो and at the same time you are not keeping the backlit always on, then it can easily stay for maybe 2 weeks. 2 weeks also आराम से ये रह सकता है. But अगर आप पूरा full light में से use करते हो non-stop, then maybe 6 to 8 hours or maybe 10 hours दैट्स ऑल, सो इट्स नॉट बैड एक्चुअली. चलो राइटिंग एक्सपीरियंस हो गया, अभी अपन क्या करते हैं, रीडिंग एक्सपीरियंस पे चलते हैं. यहाँ पे हो गया बुक्स, यू कैन सी दैट आई हैव अपलोडेड सम ऑफ माई PDF बुक्स. ठीक है, तो हम क्या करते हैं, कोई भी एक बुक को ओपन करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लेट्स से दिस वन, एंड इफ यू गो टू पेजेस यू कैन गो फ्रॉम हियर एंड यू कैन सी द पेजेस फ्रॉम हियर, and here is how the front page looks like. And since it's e-ink, of course, the refresh needs like 1 or 2 seconds to refresh to the actual colors. And once it's done, it looks just absolutely gorgeous and cute. Matlab totally distraction free. You can read, you can do this. Refresh rate is also very neat. You can see that how I'm doing it. It's so fast and it automatically loads immediately. And if you really want to just do some like highlighting or something, let's say, yahan pe you light something, and if you want to highlight it, you can just click on this and do this like this, and the highlighting is on. Yahan pe we also you can do that, and done. Yahan pe if you want some other color, you can do this and the highlighting is done. So like anytime if you want to do something highlighting or anything, you can see that automatically how it shows colors, follow sab kuch, how nicely it's actually coming out. And our Remarkable 2 mate used to be a bit slow, but this one is very fast. Okay, so colors may, if we go to any let's say a magazine which has like more colors and stuff, of course it's going to take some time to load up. So 1-2 second lagta hai, but once it's done, then you can just do something like this and read whichever paragraph or any part you are reading. Go ahead, zoom in, zoom out. So lot of features. तो यहाँ से आप स्लो छोटा भी कर सकते हो. यहाँ से कुछ अगर लिखना है आपको, यू कैन एक्चुअली राइट लाइक कि चलो ठीक है, ये हो गया, इसमें ये मैं लिख रहा हूँ, इसमें ये हो गया, ये मैं लिख रहा हूँ, इसमें ये हो गया, मैं ये लिख रहा हूँ. तो एनीथिंग, लॉट ऑफ स्टफ, यू हैव सो मेनी स्पेसेस टू एक्चुअली मेक द एनोटेशंस एज वेल. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे समथिंग लाइक दिस, एंड वंस द पेज इज डन यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड समथिंग, जस्ट एक क्लिक करो, योर पेज विल लोड, एंड इट टेक्स like 1 or 2 seconds to actually render the colors, or else it's very sweet. And colors are not very bright. Don't expect it to be an iPad, because this is not an iPad, it's an e-ink device, so of course it has some limitations as well, but basically it's like a reading and writing device. You cannot expect it to be a full entertainment device कि आपको पूरा iPad वाला colors आ जाए. ठीक है, so of course it takes like 1 or 2 seconds for that, but once it's done. You can read distraction free, any block you want to read, you can have it, and sweet, you can see that. तो यहाँ से हम अपना रिमार्केबल का ऐप खोल के आप आराम से यहाँ पे इसके अंदर ये सारे PDF जो भी आपको घुसाना हो, डायरेक्टली यू कैन अपलोड ऑल ऑफ योर लाइक बुक्स, एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट रीडिंग एनी टाइम इफ़ यू वांट. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे ऐसे अगर आपको पेजेस आ जाएंगे, सो लाइक कैन सी दैट दिस इज द फ्रंट पेज, एंड येलो इज लोडिंग सो नीट एंड नाइस, एंड ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज जस्ट लाइक दिस, and the second page will load, third page will load, just page by page. And if you want to go to any page, this book, let's say, so you can see that it's coming something like this. And wow, if you want to go to any of the pages, all you have to do is just scroll and just click on it, and it will automatically load up the page, and you can do this, whatever you do. If you have to highlight, if you have to make the notes, anything you want, you can actually do it right there. Now coming to the price, Remarkable Pro, the Paper Pro is very expensive. I think I paid somewhere close to 60 or 65,000 here in Dubai. In India also it's almost the same price. So it's not cheap, it's expensive, and the price what I paid is only for the pencil and this one. So I did not pay for anything extra for like the folio case या फिर keyboard. वो मैं कुछ नहीं लिया. You also don't need them. If you really want a case, you can get the third party, very high quality ones. I have already ordered one. It's reaching today. So if you really need, all you have to do is just buy the pencil with this one, nothing else is needed. Okay, so now is the main time where we are actually going to compare the Remarkable 2 with the Remarkable Pro. You can see that instantly the size is pretty big. This one was small, this one is much bigger, and this one was more towards whitish thing, and this is more towards the grayish thing. And pencil Remarkable 2 ka aise kuch tha, and this one is something like this. So nib, I can tell you the nib has changed. Pencil has changed as well. So I believe like both of them are almost the same, but this feels more like you are holding a very rough pencil, which actually feels good. This was more like glossy, and यहाँ पे it had the eraser, and this eraser is actually very soft if we see in the new one. Second thing, if you see like this has the backlit, of course this doesn't have a backlit. आप इसको रात में use नहीं कर सकते. You can use this in the night, the Pro, and इसका back जो था, it was something like this. You can see that the 4 pads were here, and it was whitish at the back, and this one is fully titanium. if you see, if this background is like fully titanium this time. And जो बहुत एक बहुत बड़ा वाला change you can see, and as usual जो सबसे बड़ा difference है, that is the like the you are getting colors here. You can see यहाँ पे colors है, and यहाँ पे you are not getting colors. यहाँ पे it was just black, grey, white, but यहाँ पे black, grey, white, blue, red, green, ये सारे colors आ गए. Nibs and everything is exactly the same, but this is colors and this is without the colors. And on the top, the refresh rate of this one is also like, it was kind of slow, like if you see this, and this one was I think 21 milliseconds, and this one is 12 milliseconds. 12 milliseconds versus 21 milliseconds, that was one big difference. And size is also, you can see that this was I think 10.8, this one is close to like 11.8. backlit यहाँ पे है, यहाँ पे backlit नहीं है. Display में भी there are no colors. यहाँ पे if you go, let me just show you. So if we go to my books, you can see यहाँ पे अभी अगर मैं books में चलता हूँ, यहाँ पे books, if we go, you can see the books here. You can see its color, it's all black and white. So if you go and select this, you can actually see this one. So यहाँ से अगर हम इसको देखते हैं on the front page, so let's say this one. So you can see this is fully yellow color, and this one is, let's say if we go something like this, if I go to the front page, so if you go to the front page, this is fully black and white, and this is fully yellow. This is because this has got the colors. And और एक जो बहुत बड़ा difference है, that is the storage space. This one storage was hardly 6 GB or something like that. Let me just go to storage. If I go general and the storage, let's say storage, you can see this was only 7 or 8 GB, while on this one, I believe this one is 64 GB. 64 GB cloud. If we go to general and if we go to yes, it's close to 50 GB, I would say. 50 GB versus 6 or 7 GB. This was only 8 GB. This one is close to 50 GB. So a lot of difference instantly. And उसको छोड़ के और ज़्यादा कोई difference नहीं है. Like if you really don't want to spend on this, this one is more than enough. Absolutely enough actually. अगर आपको colors नहीं चाहिए, then this is good to go. You don't even need to spend anything more on this. This has a RAM of 1 GB. This one is having a RAM of 2 GB. Okay, now it's time to compare the iPad Pro with the Remarkable Paper Pro. You can see that the size is almost the same, but iPad में अगर मैं लिखने जाता हूँ तो there is no feel. देखो यहाँ पे, अभी देखो iPad में अगर मैं लिखने जाता हूँ, so let's say it looks something like this. So let's say go to a new page. There is no sound, no feel. At the same time, अगर मैं Remarkable में लिखने जाता हूँ, you can see the feel, the sound, everything is like totally different. At the same time, iPad में आपको बहुत सारे डिस्ट्रैक्शन है, नोटिफिकेशन आएंगे, ऐप्स आएंगे, बहुत सारे चीज़ आते रहेंगे. एंड यहाँ पे कोई भी चीज़ नहीं है. यहाँ पे all you are getting is straight up your files and your books, and that's all. You will just write, type and read, and that's all. यहाँ पे आपको नोटिफिकेशन ये वो बहुत सारा चीज़ आके, it will be a very distraction stuff. Now, do you really need the Remarkable cloud subscription? अगर आपको लेना है ले सकते हो. I am personally not using it because cloud subscription is for them who needs all those files and everything to get auto sync to Google Drive या फिर Dropbox. I don't need it क्योंकि मेरा यही डिवाइस में सब कुछ रहता है, and it's already on the Remarkable cloud. Anytime if I have to move my files or anything, I can just do it straight up from this. मेरे को extra और कोई लेने का कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. All I have to do is just make the files inside this, and that's all. And यहाँ पे और एक भी चीज़ है. So let's say if you are creating this one, so let's say notebook, यहाँ पे देखो आपके पास कितने सारे templates भी है, कितने सारे templates आपको मिलते हैं, जो template आप use करके जैसे ही बना सकते हो. And if you are looking for some more templates, and then आप लोगे Remarkable वाला अपना subscription लोगे तो you will get it, but I don't think anyone needs more than this. यहाँ पे सारे आपको जो चाहिए, almost every kind of template you are anyways getting it. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hopefully you loved the video about this Remarkable Pro, and I believe like I have covered each and every aspect of this Remarkable Pro and Remarkable Pro versus Remarkable 2, Remarkable Pro versus iPad. जिसका जो भी doubt था, hopefully everyone would have got all of their questions answered. Just in case, still if you have got any questions, let me know in the comments and I will go ahead and help you. So personally, I would say Remarkable devices for them who are like sheer perfectionist. क्योंकि देखो नोट टेकिंग बहुत सारे डिवाइस में आप कर सकते हो, आप फोन में कर सकते हो, आईपैड में कर सकते हो, पेपर पेन पे कर सकते हो, बट why do we need a specific device, absolutely a specific device whose price is not cheap? It's almost as expensive as an iPad. बट इट्स समथिंग विच इज़ कम्प्लीटली डिस्ट्रैक्शन फ्री. ना कोई नोटिफिकेशन, ना कोई ऐप का झंझट, ना कोई रिमाइंड मतलब रिंग टोन, ना कोई मतलब इधर उधर का लाइट, कोई भी कुछ, नो डिस्ट्रैक्शंस. इट्स ए प्योर राइटिंग डिवाइस, प्योर डिवाइस फॉर देम हु love writing, getting the tasks done, logging the tasks, planning, diagrams, flow charts, इनके लिए बना है. It's like one of the best device I would say. And मेरे लिए without Remarkable it's absolutely impossible for me to work at all. वो flight हो, even if I'm traveling, even if I'm in Dubai office or in Indian office, anything, anywhere I go, I'm like, this is the device what I'm always carrying. क्योंकि iPad most of the time I'm not using. iPad mostly I use just for like watching videos, something in the gym, or else note taking. I hate writing on iPad क्योंकि it just doesn't give the feel. It's more like I would say कि iPad में लिखने की तरह वैसा ही हो गया कि we're trying to drive a EV car, not a car with a soul which is like the heart thumping, like the exhaust note and the engine sound. Remarkable is more like you are driving a combustion engine car where you can actually feel the soul. You are writing it, you are able to feel that you're writing or doing something. But iPad में वो feel ही नहीं आती है. So yes, that is what it is. I personally use iPad for my iPad is like for my totally different job, and Remarkable is something what I absolutely need for my work, business, money, everything, for clients, note taking, planning down my ideas, flow charts, diagrams, all of my companies almost run through the Remarkable only. And right now I'm going to move all of my stuff from Remarkable to Pro. So this is something what device I personally use the most. So in case अगर किसको doubt था कि ये device किसके लिए है, maybe this would have already got your questions answered. But still, if you have got any question, let me know in the comments. And Remarkable 2 and Remarkable Pro दोनों का link मैंने दे दिया है, Amazon India में मिलता है. In case if you are looking to buy, you can go ahead and buy it. It's one of the best investment. I can tell you, hands down, it's going to be one of your best investment once you start taking your notes, doing your tasks and all of those flow charts, diagrams, planning, everything. जब आप करोगे without any distraction, notification, it's something else. Once you start using it, let me know how you feel.